Let me give a detailed overview and in-depth specifications of Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition action camera. The Twin Edition includes the core module, 4K wide angle mode, dual lens 360 mode, and a battery base that holds the module together. The core module with any other module of your choice can be mounted side by side and attached to the battery base. And in addition to this, there is a 1-inch wide angle mode which captures 5.3K resolution video, which is sold separately. The battery base has electronic contacts that connect two modules to work together as one. The entire setup fits into the frame in a compact form and it can be attached to various support accessories. The ONE R system is designed to be waterproof without any waterproof housing for 5 meters, but ensure that it is installed securely in the mounting frame. With the 360 mode setup, the core module's live screen can be swiped in all directions to see your shot from all angles and get a full 360-degree preview, where many other 360 cameras only allow such a preview in the mobile app. The ONE R system provides it in the camera as well as in the companion app, which is something unique about this Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition. The ONE R app is provided as a free download for iOS and Android. One of its key features is that you can even edit 360-degree content and process it to a 360-degree video. Other features of ONE R include support for remote Bluetooth control from an Apple Watch or dedicated Insta360 GPS smart remote, and these are sold separately. The innovative modular also offers external mic support via optional Insta360 USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. This is a 1.3-inch square display, and you can use this to compose your shots and navigate through the interface. And if you ask me whether it is really easy to navigate, it is not that great, but it is okay, it is manageable. There is nothing bad about this. And if you slide down, you will get all the settings which you can see. And so the few settings I'm just taking you through those settings in brief, not in detail. And this is in camera mode, and if I want to change the camera, I click on the camera icon or whichever mode it is in, and you can make the changes here. Yes, so when you click on the camera, you can choose these options, whether it's got to be a standard capture, HDR, time interval, and if you want to shoot in the night mode. And if you click on the video option, this is in standard, HDR, time lapse, time shift. Yes, you stop. And this is some way you can customize all your options and put it under this category. Let me go to the camera one on standard, and this is I don't have an SD card in it, so I will be putting some more videos and footages probably in my next video, and we can do a comparison with similar cameras in this range, say GoPro 9 or GoPro 8. And in the settings, if you go to scroll down, and one thing, if you scroll to the left, you will get all these options where you can adjust your lighting option and a few other things. So I've kept it in auto as of now. If you scroll up, you can straight away reach the option in the mode, whichever mode you want. You can select camera here, video, and in the video I need to select time shift. I can straight away go here and click on this time shift option, and you can return to the camera mode or the video mode. This has gone to the normal video mode now. Now change this. Scroll the screen from bottom to top, and you will get all these options. Okay, it's simple, it's cool. So I don't see any issue with the screen, which I have seen in certain reviews that the navigation through the screen is a bit tough, but I don't see any issue over here. Okay, and this part, I have seen few reviews where people say it is quite tricky to remove this and to insert the memory card and the Type-C cable, but it is very simple. There is no rocket science behind it. What you need to see is see this cable which is attached to the cover and the camera. It has to be in the same position when you lock it, else you are gonna have a tough time. It should not be here. This particular mark, it should match with this, then it's gonna be very easy. That's it. Slide it in here and lock it. That's it. So I'll show you one more time. This arrow should point towards this one, then it is pretty simple. Just simple as that. I'm going to shut it down, and I'll make a separate video with the footages and other things that I captured on this with this camera. Right, that's all. Yeah, and the last one, the mounting case, how to mount over here. Okay, if you mount this over here, and if you want to change the lens, that is from 4K to 360, you got to remove the case, and there is no option. You can change the lens with the mounting case on. This part, yes, while putting the case, ensure that the power and the select option button on the record and stop should go here. Follow this. It's very simple. This one and this one. So insert it there. Lock here. That's it. And this is the mounting bracket, which is similar to the GoPro 9, but this is not attached with the battery base or the camera. It is given separately in the mount. That's not a big deal, and you can directly access the micro SD card and the battery charger through here. And this, again, it's a bit tricky, but if you try it maybe a couple of times, it's going to be very easy. That's it. And this is not a floss. This is a well designed way. Along with the camera, I have purchased this Telesin carry case, and I did a good amount of research to get a carry case for Insta. So this is what I found. Quite useful. You can put all the cables and the wiring components, the charging components here, and this has got a removable part as well, where you can adjust it based on your camera size or whatever things you want to put it here. I'll put the link in the description. You can probably check it out. quite sturdy, and it is a hard casing one from a company called Ellison.